Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Hobonichi weeks for my birthday week, and I'll be decorating with the birthday sweets sticker sheet from the Giving Girl. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is draw out the grid lines for my week. I find this really helpful to start my planning this way so that I know exactly where everything is going to go, and that did not do what I wanted it to. And then for the weather, I only use just a small width of the space. Oh gosh, that was not not great. But I use this side for my work schedule or any appointments, my to-do list, and then the weather. And then this side is for my habit trackers. So when it comes to stickers like this, I don't normally gravitate towards like character stickers or girl stickers like that, but I think I will use it for this week. I think I'm going to white this area out first. One second. I'm going to be doing that with these wiper cream tapes that I got from Paper Plus Cloth, and this one is the 5mm. All right, so now that area it has white out on it, I'm going to go ahead and start putting this big sticker down. I'm always afraid that I'm going to screw something up when I put a big sticker down like this, because either it's not going to go down straight or I'm going to get a wrinkle somewhere, but that worked out beautifully. Now this one I'm going to place up here because how cute is that? And I may not use all of these stickers because I'm going to probably use some in the section back here where I do my little daily highlights. Let's see. I think I could add this here or one up here. Oops, where are my tweezers? Me trying to peel stickers off without tweezers. And I'm trying to do this relatively quickly because Henry and I have a Harry Potter movie marathon today. He's really getting into the books, and we currently have all of the movies on DVD, whether we purchased them from a thrift store or rented them from the library. So I'm going to try and get this done as fast as I can so that Henry and I can continue our movie marathon. I'm going to just add all of the stars down here. I don't normally decorate for my birthday because my birthday is something that for me hasn't always been something I've looked forward to. And it's something I'm going to talk to my therapist about. But yeah, I've had not the greatest experiences with my birthday over the years, and I'm trying to unlearn that. But yeah, okay, I'm going to add those after, but first I'll go ahead and do my work shifts. This is my Mayfair pens in the Tiffany resin here, and I'm missing stuff. I always need some kind of postcard or blotting paper because I know me, I will absolutely smudge everything. So work, and I say work shifts, but I mean my work schedule. I don't do shift work. And then I'm off. And then I do have a hair appointment that day, and I can't remember if it's at 10:30. I think it's at 10:30. Did I write that down somewhere? I normally try to. Oop. And did I write it down? I did not. I know I booked it though. And then Thursday. And then Weight Watchers. And then Friday. And then Saturday, Henry still has no swimming because his doesn't start up again until the 5th. But then at 4 o'clock, we have our afternoon tea. My husband's taking me out for afternoon tea. And then Henry has badminton on Sunday. We're actually skipping badminton today so that we can continue our Harry Potter movie day. And that's okay. Sometimes you just need a day. So then I'm using my Lamy 2000 here. This has Diamine Amazing Amethyst, and I thought the purple would go really well with this spread, although I'm looking, there's not a lot of purple in this spread at the moment. And I realized with my currently inked for March, I don't actually have a pinky ink, like a pink ink. I have purples, but no pink, which is strange for me. So I will meal plan, order groceries, and then I have to do the kids' bed linens. Whoops. And I have to edit and upload videos. Then Tuesday, we have to put out the garbage. And there is actually an app that tells us whether it's recycling and garbage or recycling and food scraps. Wednesday, I need to figure out the time of my appointment. Thursday, whoops, pick up groceries. Friday, there's a video I have to film. And then Saturday, our cleaning. Oh, I forgot something on Saturday. Lucy has her dog grooming appointment. Okay. And then we have our cleaning that we need to do on Saturday. So we'll have bathrooms, vacuuming. Henry has recently gotten into vacuuming and he's so good at it. So we're going to have him take over that with my husband supervising. And then mop. Okay. And then Sunday. Oh, I know what I'm doing on Sunday. I have a brunch date on Sunday and I need to know what time that is. I normally write any plans here, 11:30. Perfect. Yeah, busy weekend this weekend, or this coming weekend. Whereas this weekend, like next weekend is going to be busy, but this weekend, this Saturday and Sunday, I've had no plans and I've fully embraced that. Okay, so then on this side, we're going to use some Tombow markers here to do my headings. The first one, I'm going to actually use my mild liner to write, or to do my, do we do tasks and then habits, and then, because we could do it all that down that way. We could do tasks, habits, and then, okay. I'm just talking to myself here. So tasks, and then we will do habits underneath. I'm doing it in a different order than I normally would. And then we'll do sleep score on this side. I just want to make sure I have enough room. So days, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll leave an extra space here. So we'll do it here for sleep. And I've tried to find colors that match these stickers. So this is Tombow 312 and 772. And then lastly, my workouts. So we got to make sure I have enough room. 1, 2, wait, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 in the corner, and then the days. So I could put my workouts down here. Okay, perfect. Now I like to let those dry a little bit because this pen will probably leak through. So while that's drying, I'm going to do the weather. This stamp is from AliExpress, and I've left a link in the description below. So this week actually looks like spring, which I am very excited for. So where am I? Monday is sunny and cloudy. I get to do the sun and the cloud. Tuesday is the same, sun and cloud. Wednesday is cloudy. Thursday is raining. Ooh, I've never used the umbrella stamp before. How cute. Friday, Saturday, Sunday are all cloudy. Okay. Then, I love using this stamp. It's so cute. Then going ahead and writing in the weather. I'll do that with my Lamy. So the weather on Monday, the high is 9 degrees. Just so different from where we were 2 weeks ago. And the low is it's 0. Wow. Tuesday, high is 9 again. The low is -1. Wednesday, the high is 7. And the low is 1 degree. Wow. Thursday, the high is 2. The low is -2, but it's raining. Wow, rather than snowing, which is amazing. Friday, the high is 0. And the low is -4. Saturday, the high is 0 and the low is -6. So a little colder next weekend. But again, things always change. And then the high on Sunday, 1 degree, and the low is -4. Not bad for next week. Looking forward to that. All right, so now I can, hopefully those are dry enough that I can write these on there. So the first one is tasks rather than tasks. And then we have my habits. And then we have my sleep and workouts. Now, last week, did I do those in black? I can't remember. No, I did them in other colors, which is fine. I like being able to do it in other colors. So tasks, nothing really needs to go in there. Habits, actually, no, I already know what tasks I need to do this week. So I need to do the passport photos for the kids. And then I would also like to pay my Amex bill. Okay, then for habits, what are my habits? Oh my goodness. Vitamins, audiobook, my nighttime routine, and no stationary spend. And then putting the days of the week. Perfect. And then for sleep, switch these around. We have the arrow, so we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then the days of the week. Oh, I planned that out perfectly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh my gosh, for a second I'm like, how many days of the week are there? My brain, it worked out. Do you ever do that? Like, I've written the days of the week and I look at my planner all the time, and then I just had a brain fart there where I could not figure out how many days of the week there were. And then my workouts, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Perfect. All right, so now that I've written everything in here, I can add a few more stickers in here as well. So let's go back to this. Ooh, I could put the birthday cake in there. Let's put that in here. Yay. Okay, and then there's like this big space here that I think I'm gonna add some of these, like this balloon. Whoops, don't go down yet until I'm ready. Then a party hat. I'm keeping it minimal, trying to, whoops, go down there. I say keep it minimal, but I also want to make sure I have enough left over for my other spread. Okay, and put the, as you can see, I'm keeping this very sticker free, but I can put a candle here. Yay. Then let's see, how much do I want to, you know what, I will put, I don't know, because I feel like I do need all of these in my other spread, so I'll keep these. Yeah, I'll keep this as is. And then I think that's it. Quick, I say quick-ish, quick and easy for my birthday week. And that was the birthday sweets from the Giving Girl. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, please let me know what you think of the sound. I'm using a new microphone and I'm hoping that it's just a little bit clearer, more crisp. Please let me know down in the comments below. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all again. I keep saying thank you, but it does mean so much to me that you tune in every week and watch these videos. I love making them and I love being able to interact with you all too. Again, thank you. Have a great day.